The key to having healthy dreadlocks. Alright, vlog number 2. Technically not my vlog number 2, because I do have some vlogs on this channel. If y'all don't know, I've had this channel for like 5 years. I had like a good 3 years of not uploading on this channel, but that's besides the point. Sometimes do you just walk inside of your house and then just lay on the floor? Probably not. That's probably just a me thing. But yeah, I'm super tired. I just got back from school. I don't know why, but I just got like smacked by tiredness when I was in school. So I don't know what happened. It's like 1 second I was just like I just got boom, smacked by it. That actually kind of hurt. Why did I do that? But yeah, I just got super tired all of a sudden. I'm not complaining though. Trust me, I'm not complaining. That's one thing that I feel like a lot of people gotta, understand. Which I'm not trying to take shots at anybody. I'm not saying if you complain, oh, you're such a bad person, blah, blah, blah. No, I'm not saying none of that. I'm just saying we can't spend our lives complaining about stuff. And I'm not gonna say some cliche thing like, oh, count your blessings. Even though you should do that anyways. But like, nobody likes somebody who complains, Because complaining about something doesn't get you anywhere. And here's one thing I've learned myself. I used to complain a lot, but it's like, don't complain about something that you're not going to do anything about. Like money. It's like, say I'm broke or something, which I'm not broke, but say I was. And I was just like, oh, I'm so broke, I don't have no money, blah, 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 blah. Oh, life sucks. It's stupid for me to complain about it, but then not do anything about it. You see what I'm saying? Now, of course, it's different. I know people are in certain circumstances, but like, I'm just saying, don't complain about things. Complaining will only make things worse. And whatever you're complaining about, just try to fix it. Or if it's something else, then try to see what you can learn from it, basically. If you're complaining about something, see what you can learn from it, and you're learning a lot, basically. Because there's a lot of things you learn with life, and I'm young, and I know that. But yeah. Well, I gotta take this jacket off, gotta get my earbuds out. I actually don't have that much space on here, do I? So yeah, I might have to make this vlog super quick anyways. I don't think I mentioned this in the last vlog, but one thing I am doing is saving up for a camera. And it's coming soon, it's coming very, very soon, I believe that. Yeah, some people ask me, why, how do I make my videos? And what I record with and all that stuff. I really just use this iPhone 8. I mean, the camera's pretty good, but it's nothing compared to a DSLR. They're really high quality. The one I'm getting is a 24 megapixel. It's going to look like way better than this. I'm about to actually go weigh myself. I'm about to do this thing. I'm actually in my mom's bathroom right now. But I'm about to weigh myself. 149.4. I was just well, if y'all want a backstory, in the summer I was 160. If I don't know, I'm not that tall. I'm like 5'6" maybe. Yeah. In the summer I was 160, but then like I think a few weeks back I actually went all the way down to I think actually 137, and that's crazy. I haven't ever been that lightweight in a long time. I haven't been like in the 130s since like 7th grade. And then I went up to like 142, then I was 147 earlier this week, and now I'm 149. So I'm getting more weight back, but then it's like I'm getting insecure about my gut. So I'm about to actually do some push-ups. It's gonna be like 100 push-ups a day. I saw Gunther the Great do it. I'm not gonna do like a whole video on it, but it's just something I'm gonna incorporate to my daily life. And actually doing all those push-ups every day doesn't really build as much muscle because you need time for your muscles to rest, but it does build endurance, which I don't really care to get all big and buff. I just want to be doing some type of exercise, because I used to exercise almost every day after school, but now I don't have time because I do these videos and stuff. And yeah, 24 hours seems like a lot of time, but it really isn't when you have an 8-hour school day. So anyways, here we go with these push-ups. Trying to get a good angle. Alright, so I did 50 this morning. Now I'm going to do another 50. I actually used to be really into like working out, but now I don't work out that much. I used to be really big in running and doing miles and stuff. I actually really liked it, but now I'm slacking a whole bunch. I actually don't think I really ran a mile since the summer, and that's crazy because I always used to run miles. I hope my mile isn't that bad of a time. My fastest mile that I recorded with time was 6:18, which I could do way better than that if I kept on trying. But anyways, I'm just gonna do my 50 push-ups. I think I would, you know what? I'm just gonna do 50 straight push-ups. Here we go. Right here, right now. Let's go. My form may be a little dookie, but it's all right. Here we go. 47, 48, 49, 50. Okay. It actually was way less difficult than I anticipated it to be. All right, push-ups for the day. I got those done. It's not a lot, but I'm trying to get something done, you know? Anyway, it's time to do my video, which I'm going to just head in here. Boom! Here we are. I'm taking this poster, not poster, but kind of a painting thing down. And yeah, just lay that over there. Yep, put this in the corner. But yeah, you see the title of this video. It is how to have healthy freeform dreadlocks, or how to keep healthy dreadlocks, or freeform dreadlocks, whatever you're having. This really just goes for dreadlocks in general. The main thing, which I think a lot of people probably overlook, is washing your dreadlocks. Now, a lot of people don't want to do this in the beginning stages because they're like, oh, my dreadlocks are going to unravel. And there is this myth that, oh, when you get in the shower with young dreadlocks, they're just going to instantly fall out. Or there's a myth that you're not supposed to wash your dreadlocks. You are supposed to wash your dreadlocks. Trust me, you don't want to not wash your dreadlocks. And even in the beginning stages, make sure that you wash them. Because in my beginning stages, my dreadlocks probably would have locked up so much faster if I just washed my hair more. Because believe it or not, when you wash your hair, that helps your hair lock up. And even though your hair may unravel a little bit or something like that, you can always retwist it. Like me, I was doing sponging. I could have gotten in the shower, washed my hair. Obviously not be rough with it because that would make it unravel even more. But I get out of the shower, then I just retwist it with the sponge. I sponge it again, and that strengthens the twists that are already there, so they're getting even tighter and more uniform and stuff like that. But I don't recommend washing your hair every day because I know some of y'all probably be like, oh, since it locks up my hair faster, I'm gonna wash my hair 5 times a day. Don't do that. Wash it like 3 times a week at max. But yeah, that's definitely the first thing, because you don't want to have all this buildup in your hair, and buildup is just never good. It ruins your dreadlocks. It makes them look nasty and dirty. And yeah, on to the next thing. Now, this is kind of controversial, but I recommend don't bleach your hair. Do not bleach your dreadlocks because it strips your hair of its nutrients. I'm not saying don't do it, but if you want to have healthy dreadlocks, do it. So are my dreadlocks healthy? Yeah, not the tips though. Definitely not the tips. I had one dreadlock, cause there used to be like kind of a ball at the end of my dreadlocks, but it never came out when I had my black hair. But when I bleached my hair, I was just rubbing through my hair, like all that hair just came out, and I was like, whoa, what is that? It damages your hair. When I combed out one of my dreadlocks, all the bleach part, it did not survive. I mean, of course I was doing it pretty rough, but a lot of, like, the bleach hair is just dry and there's really no use for the bleach hair. The bleached hair is just like dead, it's gone, it's just done for. It makes your hair super dry and all that stuff. And of course you can keep on oiling your hair, but you know, that's just external oils. I'd rather just use my natural oils on my head. Please, again, don't get me wrong, I'm not saying don't bleach your hair. I'm just saying your hair isn't going to be healthy if you bleach it, or is it going to be as healthy as it could be? And I can't imagine what would happen if I put another color in my hair, because I believe it was what, TP Locks. Shout out TP Locks if you're watching this video. Actually, right after I bleached my hair, I watched your video because I was super bummed out about my bleaching. I was watching you dye your hair back to black, and then you were kind of bummed out about that. That was kind of, you know, the reverse of what I was thinking, because I wanted my black hair back. But I'm content with this right now. But anyway, shout out TP Locks. But anyways, yeah, if you want healthy dreadlocks, don't bleach your hair, because that's just gonna make things kind of more difficult. The next thing is to not retwist your hair a lot. Now, there's a misconception that freeform dreadlocks, because they look all messy and stuff, that they're dirty, they're nasty, they're not healthy. But actually, it's really the opposite. People with freeform locks, they have to wash their hair. That's how their hair locks up. They have to wash their hair. They absolutely have to wash their hair. They have really clean hair because they have to wash their hair. And they're letting their hair form naturally and not twisting their hair. And for the people who get retwist like every 2 weeks and stuff like that, that could really thin out your dreadlocks. Because for me, I always used to play in my hair. Here's one thing as well. Don't be playing in your hair all the time. Now, of course, it's good in the beginning stages, but please, like, for real, trust me. Do not do it tight. One of the dreadlocks I have right here, like this one that fell out, I was twisting this one a bunch. And yeah, like a lot of the hair like came out of it one day. But there's also other factors that played into that. But don't get retwists too often, because that could cause traction alopecia, which it basically chokes your hair out of your hair follicle or out of the pore or hair cell or something like that. And you're not able to grow hair out of there anymore. And obviously nobody wants that, or at least maybe nobody wants that. But yeah, and also if you let your hair just grow, your scalp will feel so much better. And of course it won't look as maintained. I know a lot of y'all want that super clean look, but trust me, when I don't get retwist, my hair feels so much better. You know, my scalp isn't tender or anything, and you know, it's just like my scalp can breathe and it's not always itchy and stuff. But yeah, I'm not necessarily saying if you get retwist that your hair is unhealthy. That just goes for people who like excessively retwist and all that stuff, and you basically go to the extreme with it. But yeah, if you want some extra tips, sleep on a silk pillow. It doesn't really help out for the locking process because what sleeping on a cotton pillow does is the cotton absorbs all the moisture out of your hair, and that could cause your hair to be dry and brittle and stuff. But like a silk pillow, it'll retain all the moisture and everything. Your hair will stay moisturized, which is actually very healthy for your hair. It's not ideal for dreadlocks. Yeah, that just prevents your hair from breaking and everything. So there are pros to having dry hair. It helps your hair lock up a lot faster. But I would recommend just, you know, sleeping on a silk pillow or sleeping with a silk do-rag or something if you don't want your dreads to become, you know, very brittle and dry and stuff. Because washing your hair is, you know, good enough, you know, that dries out your hair enough. You don't want it to be even more dry than that. But that's just a little thing. I didn't take that advice, obviously my dreads did fine. But anyways, that's really all that advice I have for having healthy dreadlocks. I'm not saying I'm a dreadlock enthusiast or dreadlock expert. It's just, you know, I know a lot, especially from a lot of YouTubers and all that stuff from when I was learning. I just want to give y'all my experience as well, you know, new things that I've learned. But anyways, I thank y'all so much for watching this video. If y'all liked it, please make sure to like it. If you want to see more videos from me in the future, please make sure to subscribe and turn on post notifications so y'all never miss out on another video from me. And with that being said, I love you all, and I'll see you all in the next video.